Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to see how to create this effect using the gradient map tool. Start by opening the image you want to edit in Photoshop. Select the selection tool and select a part of your image. Copy with Ctrl plus C and paste with Ctrl plus Shift plus V, or go to Edit, Special Paste, Paste in Place. Next, select the created layer and go to Filter, Blur, Motion Blur. Adjust the distance according to your preferences. Here, around 100 pixels should do the trick. You can merge the two layers by selecting them, right-clicking, and then choosing Smart Object. We will now add a gradient map layer. Click on the gradient in the Properties window and choose the gradient that suits you. I've created a library of 50 gradients that you can download for free on my website. The link is in the description. I'm going to choose gradient 14, then click OK. Remember to rename your layers. Here I will name it Background. Select the background layer and go to Filter Noise, Add Noise. We'll add some noise to texture our image. Now we're going to add a black and white layer between the background layer and the gradient map layer. This layer will allow us to precisely control our gradient map. The principle of the gradient map is that the dark colors will match those on the left side, in this case dark blue and then green, while the light colors will match those on the right side, here yellow and then green. Thus, we can now control it with the black and white layer. My base image had a red background, so if I say that the red colors should be white, then logically they should shift from yellow to green. Conversely, if I want my reds to be black, they should shift from dark blue to green. Of course, the colors depend on the gradient map you've chosen. You can control each color of your image individually. Now we're going to add a text layer. Type the text you want and position it correctly. Choose a color ranging from white to gray. Its color will change depending on your gradient map. Duplicate your text layer and select the one below, adding a motion blur. Also, add an overlay layer to assign it a color. Click OK, group your text layers into a folder that you name TXT. Select your background layer and click on Select Subject. Photoshop should automatically select your subject. No need to be very precise here. Click on the TXT folder and add a mask. Click on this mask and press Ctrl plus I to invert, and there you go. The effect is done. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't hesitate to comment if you have any questions, like, and subscribe to my channel.